So we have to fill the boxes here. Okay, so let's get started. All right. Okay, so first thing to do here is to label the boxes. So let's call this side A, this side B, C, and D. All right. So A times B, so AB is 19. So that's the first equation. Then B times D is 11. So equation 2. All right, so let's add equation 1 and 2. So this one will be AB plus BD equals to 30. All right. Can we factorize B out? Yes. Okay. So we can say B out A plus D equals to 30. Okay. So let's keep this. Okay. And A plus C is 9 and C minus D is 6. Okay. So let's adjust this. So let's call this one the third equation, then the fourth equation. Let's adjust equation 4 and add. So we can multiply equation 4 by -1. So we have D minus C equals to -6. So this one will be the fifth equation. So equation 3 plus 5. So we have A plus D, then plus C, will cancel this. 9 plus -6 is 3. Okay, so we know A plus D, and A plus D is here, so A plus D is 3, so we can substitute. So from here, B times A plus D, which is 3, equals to 30. Therefore, B is 30 over 3, which is 10. Okay, so B here is 10. Okay, so once we know B, we can find A. So what value times 10 will give you 19? Okay, so it's 1.9. Okay, so 1.9 plus what value will give you 9? So this side will be 7.1. Okay, so 7.1 minus what value give us 6? So 1.1. All right, so my A is 1.9, my B is 10, C is 7.1, and D is 1.1. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. All right.